Welcome to my baking diary. I'm Hafsa and today we're going to make this amazingly delicious mousse cake made with ice cream. So let's start by blitzing your chocolate chip cookies and then add in your melted butter and then give that a quick mix as well. Next, add it to your loose bottom pan, level that out and leave that in the fridge for about half an hour. So here I have my ice cream, which I'm going to melt in the microwave until it's all liquidy like this. Here I have some icing sugar. I'm going to add my natural yogurt into it and also my vanilla extract and then give that a nice quick mix and add it to your ice cream mixture and then give that a quick mix again. Here I have my melted gelatin. I'm going to add that as well to my melted ice cream and then give that a quick mix. Next, I'm going to pour it into my pan and then wrap it in some cling film and then keep that in the fridge until it's set. So here I have a simple chocolate ganache made with some whipped cream and chocolate, and I'm going to use that to add it on top of my set cake here and then slowly smooth that out on the top. So next I'm going to use pieces of chocolate chip cookies and decorate my cake on the top like this, and then finally take a little bit of that chocolate ganache and then drizzle that over on top of your cookies. And there you have it, a super delicious and so simple and easy mousse cake made with your melted ice cream. I hope you guys give this a try. This was really tasty and of course so easy to make. I'll see you next time with another recipe, and until that, take care and stay safe.